Welcome to GK World. Number 1. Which is the biggest island in the world? A. Greenland. B. Japan. C. South America. D. None of these. Answer A. Greenland. Number 2. Which place is called the Pink City of India? A. Rajasthan. B. Jaipur. C. Assam. D. Delhi. Answer B. Jaipur. Number 3. Which city is known as the City of Temple of India? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Nagaland. D. Bhubaneswar. Answer D. Bhubaneswar. Number 4. What is computer brain? A. CPU. B. Memory. C. RAM. D. ROM. Answer A. CPU. Number 5. Who was the first actress to be nominated to Rajya Sabha? A. Barkha Bist. B. Barkha Singh. C. Bala Hijam. D. Nargis Dutt. Answer D. Nargis Dutt. Number 6. Which element is the best conductor is electricity? A. Silver. B. Zinc. C. Carbon. D. Nitrogen. Answer A. Silver. Number 7. What is the national heritage animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. D. Monkey. Answer A. Elephant. Number 8. Who discovered India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Sikandar. C. Vasco da Gama. D. None of these. Answer C. Vasco da Gama. Number 9. The largest democracy in the world. A. America. B. England. C. India. D. Japan. Answer C. India. Number 10. Who designed the national flag of India? A. Pingali Venkaiah. B. Hasmukh Patel. C. Charles Correa. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer A. Pingali Venkaiah. Number 11. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Reena Mitra. C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. D. Ritu Kridhal. Answer A. Kiran Bedi. Number 12. The Nalanda University was destroyed by A. Taimur. B. Muhammad of Ghazni. C. Bakhtiyar Khilji. D. Alauddin Khilji. Answer C. Bakhtiyar Khilji. Number 13. The Vikramshila University was established by which ruler? A. Harsha. B. Dharampala. C. Chandragupta II. D. Kanishka. Answer B. Dharampal. Number 14. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 15. The first woman governor of an Indian state was A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Sucheta Kriplani, D. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Answer B. Sarojini Naidu. Number 16. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? A. Abhinav Bindra, B. Milkha Singh, C. P.T. Usha, D. Lander Peace. Answer A. Abhinav Bindra. Number 17. The Constitution of India was adopted on A. 26th Jan 1950, B. 15th August 1947, C. 26th November 1949, D. 2nd October 1950. Answer C. 26th November 1949. Number 18. Who composed the national anthem Jan Gan Man? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, B. Ravindra Jain, C. Ravindranath Tagore, D. Kavi Pradeep. Answer C. Ravindranath Tagore. Number 19. Who was the first woman to win Bharat Ratna? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. M.S. Subbulakshmi, D. Mother Teresa. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Number 20. The famous rock garden is located in A. Delhi, B. Chandigarh, C. Jaipur, D. Ahmedabad. Answer B. Chandigarh. Number 21. The Bihu festival is celebrated in which state? A. Tripura, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Nagaland. Answer C. Assam. Number 22. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? A. Retinol, B. Ascorbic acid, C. Tocopherol, D. Salsifерol. Answer B. Ascorbic acid. Number 23. Which Indian king was called Napoleon of India? A. Harsh, B. Samudragupta, C. Chandragupta, D. Ashok. Answer B. Samudragupta. Number 24. Which river is called the Dakshina Ganga? A. Narmada, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Mahanadi. Answer B. Godavari. Number 25. In which state is the Kanha National Park located? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Maharashtra, C. Odisha, D. Madhya Pradesh. आंसर डी मध्य प्रदेश। Number 26. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashok. C. Bindusara. D. Harshvardhan. Answer A. Chandragupta Maurya. Number 27. India's largest inland saltwater lake is A. Sambar Lake. B. Chilka Lake. C. Pulicat Lake. D. Wheeler Lake. Answer A. Sambar Lake. Number 28. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. C.V. Raman. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Homi Bhabha. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 29. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1757. B. 1857. C. 1805. D. 1767. Answer A. 1757. Number 30. The highest civilian award in India is A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Bharat Ratna, D. Paramveer Chakra. Answer C. Bharat Ratna.